I'm sporting my AWS swag today because I went to an AWS user group meeting. If you're not familiar with what AWS user group is, let me share, or just what AWS is. So AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and a user group is community-led groups which meet regularly to share ideas, answers, questions, and learn about new services and best practices. There's over 400 AWS user groups around the world, and you can search for them here. There's probably one in your area. I live in Utah, and there's actually a user group near me. And today's meetup had a talk from two presenters, and it was titled Data Constantly Flowing Like Water. So here's the AWS Utah user group. You can see there's quite a few members, and they have events almost every month. And as you can see here, it's part of the global AWS user group community. It's a really good way of networking, learning about new things, and meeting new people. I've still even got my name badge on. I forgot to take it off when I got home. So the event was hosted at a place called Silicon Slopes, and they actually have this like TV stage, which is pretty cool. They host live streams from there all the time. And this wasn't all the people, because there's more people sitting on a couch over there in the corner, but there was quite a few people here. I probably bet 40 or 50 people. And it was people from all around Utah, not just people that worked for AWS, which was just a handful, but companies and people that worked in all sorts of areas, or people just looking for work. And we went around and introduced ourselves, and the people that were looking for jobs stated so. That way they could meet with any of the recruiters there or any of the hiring managers that happen to be at the user group. So if you're interested in cloud or working in AWS or even Google Cloud or Azure, then these user groups are very, very good for networking. And I'd highly recommend it if you work in tech currently or want to work in tech. If you have any questions about finding your own group, hit me up. Happy to share.